before I spoke about Pelops. You can see that Pelops was the great father of Agamemnon, the chief of the fleet against Troy. Next one. You can see Lusatia, Upper Poland. Next one. And this is the text of Felice Ricci. I don't think this text is right, totally right, but it's probably that some legends from Northern, from Baltic, come down to the Mycenaean War. Next. This is the cremation of the dead. That is the most important feature of the Veneta religion. Next. Well, in my opinion, archaeology is not an exact scientific science, because the human interpretation takes a big part. But in the future, with the genetics, with the haplogroups, we can better understand the migration of the peoples. Haplogroups are genes following one population. And from the first data, we can see that the haplogroups of the Mycenaean and the haplogroups of the Venus of Lusatian culture were identical. Next one. So you see